VS Code and VS Code Insiders are nearly identical in core functionality, but the difference is update cadence and stability. VS Code is the official stable release. It gets monthly updates, is highly tested, and widely supported. It's ideal for production work where reliability matters. VS Code Insiders offers early access to new features through daily or weekly builds. It's meant for users who want to test the latest functionality or help contribute feedback. While most extensions work on both versions, insiders may occasionally introduce bugs due to untested updates. Developers who prefer stability should stick to VS Code. Those who want the newest features and don't mind occasional instability may prefer insiders. Functionally, they're the same, but insiders is just ahead of a curve.